Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Gugu. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to learn about some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, we have the lion, often called the king of the jungle. Lions have a majestic mane and a loud roar that can be heard from miles away. They live in groups called prides. Next is the tiger, the largest cat species. Tigers have beautiful orange fur with black stripes and are excellent swimmers. They live in dense forests and grasslands. Meet the elephant, the largest land animal. Elephants have big ears, a long trunk, and tusks made of ivory. They are very intelligent and have strong social bonds. Look at the monkey, known for its playful and curious nature. Monkeys have long tails and agile bodies for swinging through trees. They are very smart and live in social groups. Crocodile, here's the crocodile, a large reptile with a powerful bite. Crocodiles live in rivers, lakes, and wetlands. They have tough, scaly skin and can stay underwater for a long time. Look at the bear, bears big, strong animals that live in forests and mountains. They have thick fur to keep them warm and love to eat berries, fish, and honey. Bears are great climbers and swimmers. Let's discover more about these amazing creatures. Now, let's talk about the cheetah, the fastest land animal. Cheetahs can run up to 60 miles per hour in short bursts. They have slender bodies and distinctive black, tear marks on their faces. The hippopotamus, or hippo for short, is one of the largest animals on land. Hippos live in rivers and lakes in Africa. They love the water and spend most of their day staying cool by swimming or resting in the water. Hippos have huge mouths and big. Now, let's talk about the wolf, an intelligent and social animal. Wolves live in packs and communicate with howls. They have thick fur and sharp teeth for hunting. Hop along with us as we explore the world of kangaroos. Kangaroos are unique animals that live in Australia. They have powerful legs that help them jump high and far. Mama kangaroos carry their babies, called joeys, in a special pouch on their belly. Horses are majestic and powerful animals known for their speed, strength, and grace. They have been companions to humans for thousands of years, helping in agriculture, transportation, and sports. The leopard is next, known for its beautiful, spotted coat. Leopards are very strong and can climb trees while carrying heavy prey. They are stealthy hunters. Look at the zebra, with its distinctive black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique. They live in herds on the African savanna. Meet the penguins, flightless birds that live in cold, snowy places like Antarctica. Penguins are excellent swimmers and have a unique way of waddling on land. Look at the peacock, known for its stunning, colorful tail feathers. Male peacocks display their feathers to attract females. They are often seen in gardens and forests. Now, we have the cute and cuddly rabbit. Rabbits have long ears, fluffy tails, and strong back legs for hopping. They live in burrows and love to eat vegetables. Soar high with us as we discover the eagle. Eagles are large, powerful birds with sharp eyesight. They can see their prey from far away and swoop down to catch it. Eagles build their nests high up in trees or on cliffs. Join us to learn more about TH. Turtles are fascinating creatures with hard shells on their backs. They live both on land and in water. There are many different types of turtles, but they all have one thing in common: their shells protect them from predators. Turtles can be small. That was so much fun learning about these amazing animals. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.